This video shows how to clone the ZF9 HP gearbox computer by boot mode. Please check the help document to check the connection diagrams. Please note ZF9 HP gearbox clone module supports JLR, Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, Honda, Jeeps, and so on. Check all the accessories we need. Disassembling the gearbox computer case. Remove the 3 scoops of the interface board. Install the copper pillars. Put the CPU positioning frame on the CPU. Install the boot interface board. Then lock the board with copper pillars. Install port interface board. Connect 2 interface boards with 8-pin cable. Connect OBP-ICP adapter with 20-pin cable. Short the CAN resistor on the OBP-ICP adapter to the CAN 2R drain side. Connect the ACDP host. Open Mini ACDP app. Click Jaguar Land Rover. Click Gearbox Clone. Click ZF9 HP boot. Click Identify. Confirm that ACDP device is connected to the gearbox. Click Continue. Confirm the system information. Click Continue. Pin detection passed. Click Continue. Confirm the system information and click OK. Identify the system information is done. Click Full Backup Date. Confirm that the ACDP device is connected to the gearbox. Click Continue. Pin detection passed. Click Continue. Confirm the system information. Click Continue. Reading chip state, please wait. Please save the chip date. Click OK. Click Save on the bottom right corner. Date backup is finished. Connect another ZF9 HP gearbox computer. Click Full Write Date. Make sure the ACDP device is connected to the new gearbox computer. Pin detection passed. Click Continue. Confirm the system information. Please choose the chip date. Click the chip date file that's saved in the previous date. Ready to write chip date. Please don't cut the power or pull out the device. Writing chip date is finished. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.